This is Peter from CBAffiliateMarketingTips.com, and today we're going to be talking about AffiliSites Pro, the epic new software from Glenn Kosky. Now, what exactly is AffiliSites Pro? AffiliSites Pro provides you with your very own 100% done-for-you affiliate site, preloaded with high-converting, highly profitable product reviews so you can generate sales and commissions. You can do all of this without experience or tech skills. You can bank like a super affiliate even if you've never made a dime online before, with no content creation, no paying for traffic, and no list needed. As you can see, these affiliate sites, as I said before, they come with all the content created for you, professional reviews. There's no paying for traffic. There's free traffic built into the system to help get you sales. So you don't need a list at all to generate traffic to this site for you. Another great thing about this is there's zero hosting, as well as AffiliSites is hosted for you on the cloud-based app. Also, you don't need any domain name. Those are two yearly expenses that you do not have to have. And also, if you want to start from scratch yourself, you go to Fiverr, and someone will charge you about $100 to $150 to set up your website for you. Those are three costs right there that are all taken care of for you with this one small time fee for getting AffiliSites Pro today. Now, reviews are the best way to make affiliate commissions on a daily basis. Glenn is a super affiliate, and right here is this is just his affiliate income that he has made on Warriorplus. It's in the last few months he's made over $90,000 by doing product reviews. And also, a great feature of this AffiliSites Pro software is that it includes a bonus package for every product review. Bonus packages are a great way to increase your conversions. And this bonus package is great because they get this by buying it through your link. Now, here we are on the sales page with the proof, sales proof. There's testimonials. You can go through this on your own by clicking the link below this video. Now let's take you inside the dashboard area of AffiliSites Pro. You can see exactly what you're getting and how easy it is to set up these sites all by yourself. Here we are on the dashboard. You can click here for the training videos. They take you through step by step how to set everything up. It's very simple. You get it up and running in less than 30 minutes. The first thing you want to do is go to My Profile. And right here, this tells you what type of membership type you have. And you just fill in your first name, last name, email address. You can put in an avatar if you want, a picture of yourself. You put the title, a brief description about you, and you can also put in all your social links here that you have. And you just click the Update Profile link right there. And then once that's all saved up, you go to the site settings. Once you go to the site settings, you put in the title of your product review websites, about the social links again. You can put a favicon, a site logo. If you have a site logo, that'll take precedent over your text over here. In a minute, we'll show you what the site actually looks like. You can customize the font, the color theme with this stuff right here. And you would update all of that. And then let's take a look at the website. See product review websites. You got all your stuff right here. Mr. and Mrs. the About Me part that we set up in our profile and settings page. And then here is all. And this is just the front page of what your site is going to look like. Okay. Now, the next part we need to do is get all the affiliate info so you get credit for all the sales and commissions. Here we are inside the affiliate info thing. What you want to do here, these are all the products you get. Okay, here you go. Here, boom, all the affiliate products. Comes with 23 on the front end product. Now what you want to do, this is like for the DigiFunnel Lab Pro. You're going to go over to Warriorplus and you're going to search for this key phrase, and you're going to get your link. Now, if you're not already approved for this, you just put in to get approval, and then once you're approved, you get your affiliate link, which is right here, and you're just going to want to copy this link. Okay, we're just going to copy that link. You're going to go back to your affiliate info. You are going to paste that right into there. That's your affiliate link. And then you're going to want to take this here. This is the bonus page link right here. So then you're going to copy this. Come back over to affiliate offers here, and you want to paste that right there into your bonus URL. So now then you save that, and then once someone buys it, they're automatically sent to your bonus URL. There's nothing that you have to do. Okay? It is that simple to get everything up and going. Okay? Now another great thing about this is you're not only going to get affiliate commissions from all the products with reviews, but they also have, you can put site ads. You can either have a top ad, you can use Google AdSense, or a banner ad. If you have Google AdSense, you just go into your account, get your code, paste it in right here. Or if you want to use a banner ad, and yes, they like a 468 here. If you click this button here, it'll tell you. There you go. I want 468 by 60 image. You would put the link, affiliate link, or whatever the link you want the banner to go to right there. You would just browse, find your image, boom, put it in there. Then you got a side ad type for the same thing, Google AdSense banner ad. And then once you're here, your top ad would go right here. That banner would go right there, and then the banner for the side would go right down here in this area right here as well. Okay, and there you have it. And then you're all set up and you're ready to go. And you got your menus and your pages and your categories and all your products that you can go through and customize your site to get it up and going in no time flat. It's really simple to use. You can get up and going in less than 30 minutes. Training videos take you through everything step by step, what you have to do to get everything up and going. Okay, now if you click the link below this video, as well as another link there, you can read my full review with my bonus package. Now in my bonus package, I am offering 2 of Glenn's products, the commission shortcut and the triple traffic bot, that'll help you really scale up your affiliate commissions and really make you become a super affiliate. I am also including the Lost Code paid product by Brendan Mace. There's also some super affiliate training there as well. Plus there is a special bonus that you will get that you're going to have to buy the product through my link to get that, to know what that special bonus is going to be. Here we are. So that is a quick run through of Affiliate Sites Pro. Exactly what you're going to get here inside the dashboard. Before we wrap up, let's skip up some important points about Affiliate Sites Pro. Now on these websites, you will keep 100% of commissions from your done-for-you review site. It's 100% beginner friendly, no lists, no paid traffic, no experience needed. There's free traffic and hosting included. That means there's zero maintenance costs. This is a proven method developed by a super affiliate and Clickbank Platinum vendor. It's cloud-based software, nothing to install. You can access from anywhere. There's multiple profit streams baked from both commissions and passive ad income. You have your very own authority review site ready to launch in minutes. Okay, remember the pre-selected top converting products. You can bank easy commissions from evergreen offers with a winning track record. There's built-in authority because your site features products from Clickbank, JVZoo, and Warriorplus, which are leading platforms trusted by millions. These are complete product reviews, in-depth product reviews done for you, including demo video, graphics, rating, full product details, and related offers, professional banners, graphics, and calls to action, each linked to your affiliate ID so you make the commissions every time. And there is a massive vault of premium bonuses. so you can customize each promo with your choice of incentives to maximize commissions. So there you have it. My quick review and demo of AffiliSites Pro by Glenn Kosky. If you just click the link below this video, you can get the early bird discount pricing for the launch week, which starts at less than $20. There's also the link below this video if you would like to read my full review. If you don't like the videos, then you can just click that link below, read my full video. It has everything you need to know about the OTOs, my bonus package, all the launch week pricing. It changes every day. So thank you for watching, and please click the link below this video so you can get AffiliSites Pro at the early bird discount.